Hey, you know I've been thinking, head to the clouds, no blinking. Is there meaning to this life? What happens if you die? Do your spirit come alive? Living not alive to the things that he witnessed. Like I'm over traumatized with the lies and the shit that's encrypted. I'm trying to visualize, fantasize all the things that is scripted. Like I'm trying to be a witness of abundance and richness. Feel the goodness, the greatness of making a difference in a helpless world where everyone's a victim of weakness. It's sickness, where the only thing that set you free is forgiveness. Man, I'm ambitious, superstitious, standing on business. If surviving is winning, then man, I'm the fittest. There's a flow that can cure blindness, kill him with kindness. Kimberly's finest, in any room I'm the highest. Feeling mindless, timeless, you can see it in my eyelids. On the land of dryness, you can feel a changing climates. Better get behind me, I'm in Primus, highest. If you ain't got God, you ain't got no backbone, you spineless. But did you know I've been fishing while my boat's been sinking? Did you know I've been wishing for big things, like bigger fish or bigger bread, a bigger bag? Is it too much to ask, never too much to have? Like what's the catch? I ended up losing track of the water in the boat. Man, get the water out the boat.
Plaats net uw vertrouwen in die Allerhoogste, die schepper van hemel en aarde. Ons is op pad, alles het duister, trust. Die lucht is so scherp in my ogen, die duivel, die mens en sy dienaars kyk af. As ek net opstaan in die oggend, kan ek kan voel die batterie buite is staf. Mense kan lag en dan voel, the way ons nou lewe, gaan ons dan nou stryd vir die graaf. Maar wie is ek om wat te sê, die mense voel aan beter af as 'n slaaf. Ek is maar net hier so om liefde en peace in 'n piece van my hartjie te praat. Elke keer as ek opmaak, dan dink die mense dit kom uit 'n plekkie van hart. Maar wat kan ek nou maak, as daar 'n plekkie vir my is om 'n merkie te maak? Ons begin met gebed, dan is ook met die steeds, dan voel ons net blessed. Ek is moe vir die stress, ons is af met die berg, nou maak ons dit erg. Sê dit af met die vers, onder die lucht van 'n kers met 'n silver